Canceling your Wix subscription doesn't delete your website. Your pages, your content, your images, all of it stays. But there's one thing that changes the moment your plan expires that catches almost everyone off guard. And I'm going to get to it in about 2 minutes. First, before I show you the cancel steps, I want to give you a 30-second decision because for a lot of people, canceling a Wix Premium plan is actually the wrong move. You have 3 options, not 1. Cancel. Stop auto-renewal. Plan stays active until your billing period ends, then your site drops to free. Custom domain disconnects. Wix ads appear on your site. Right choice if you're leaving Wix permanently. Pause. Your site stays live. Your custom domain stays connected. Premium features go into a limited state. Right choice if you're taking a break and coming back. Wix doesn't advertise this option prominently. You find it inside billing and payments, then select your plan and click pause. Downgrade. Switch to a cheaper plan instead of canceling entirely. You keep your custom domain to avoid Wix ads, and Wix credits you the difference towards the lower plan. Right choice if cost is the problem, but you're staying on Wix. If you're still canceling, here's how. In your Wix dashboard, click your profile icon in the top right and then on Account Settings. Select Premium Subscriptions. Find your site plan, click the 3-dot menu next to it, and select Cancel Plan. Wix will show you a retention screen. It may offer a discount or remind you of the pause option. Skip past if you've already decided. Confirm the cancellation by clicking on Cancel Now. Your plan is now set to expire on a specific date. Nothing changes until that date. 2 things to check before you close the screen. First, if you were billed through the Apple App Store or Google Play, not through Wix directly, you must cancel through your phone's subscription settings, not through Wix. If you cancel inside Wix but your billing is through Apple, you'll keep getting charged. Second, your domain subscription is listed separately on the same page. You can access it by clicking on Domains on the left. Canceling your site plan does not cancel your domain. If you want to stop the domain renewal too, you need to turn that off separately right here. Once your plan expires, here's what your site looks like. Wix ads appear on every page, visible to all your visitors. Your custom domain disconnects and your site URL reverts to the free Wix format. siteprefix.wixsite.com/yoursite. If you had a Wix store, selling functionality pauses. Products stay in your dashboard, but the store isn't active. Any premium app features tied to your plan go away. What stays? Everything you've built. All your pages, text, images, and site structure are intact. You can still log in and edit on the free plan. This is the part most people handle wrong, and it costs them. Your domain and your site plan are 2 separate subscriptions. When your site plan expires, your domain doesn't go with it. It just disconnects from your site and sits parked in your account. You have 3 choices for your domain. Keep paying for it through Wix and leave it parked. It owns your brand name even if nothing is live. Transfer it to another registrar like Namecheap or Cloudflare and point it to whatever you're building next. Or let auto-renewal lapse and lose it entirely, because once a domain lapses, anyone can buy it. If you've been on Wix long enough to have Google sending search traffic to your site, that SEO is tied to the domain, not the content. Letting the domain go means starting that work from zero on a new address. Domain renewals through Wix run roughly $14 to $20 a year. That's cheap insurance on work you've already done. One last thing. If you're within 14 days of purchasing your plan, canceling ends it immediately and you get a full refund. After 14 days, canceling stops auto-renewal, but your plan runs until its natural expiry date. You're not losing time you've already paid for. If you change your mind after canceling, you can reactivate by turning auto-renew back on before the expiry date. After it expires, you'd purchase a new plan. If you're staying on Wix but trying to figure out which plan is actually worth it for your situation, I have a video on that. Link in the description and here on the screen. Subscribe for more short, specific Wix walkthroughs. See you in the next one.